If you've ever wondered how to sell your house without a real estate agent, you're not alone. More homeowners are choosing the For Sale by Owner route, or FSBO, to save on commission fees and take control of their sale. But selling on your own means you'll need to handle everything from pricing to paperwork. Let's break down the process step by step so you can sell your house confidently and keep more of your hard-earned equity. The first thing you'll want to do is figure out your home's market value. Getting this right is crucial. Start by looking at recently sold homes in your neighborhood that are similar in size and condition. These comparable sales, or comps, give you a realistic idea of what buyers are willing to pay. For extra peace of mind, consider hiring a licensed appraiser for an unbiased valuation. You can also use online home value tools, but always double-check with local data to make sure your price is competitive. Price too high and your home could sit on the market. Too low and you risk leaving money on the table. Next, it's time to get your home ready to impress. First impressions matter, so start by decluttering and depersonalizing each room. Remove family photos and extra furniture to help buyers imagine themselves living there. Knock out those small repairs you've been putting off, like fixing leaky faucets or touching up paint. Boost your curb appeal by mowing the lawn, planting some flowers, and making sure the exterior looks inviting. If you want to go the extra mile, a pre-listing inspection can help you spot and address any issues before buyers do. When your home is looking its best, focus on high-quality photos. Most buyers start their search online, so great photos are essential. If you can, hire a professional photographer to make your home shine. Shoot during the day when natural light is at its best, and highlight your home's best features and any recent upgrades. Now you're ready to list your home for sale. Exposure is everything, so make sure your home is seen by as many buyers as possible. The Multiple Listing Service, or MLS, is where most agents and buyers look for homes. The good news is you don't need a realtor to get on the MLS. With listlean.com, you can list your home for as little as $95. Also, post your listing on popular sites like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com. Don't forget about social media, Facebook Marketplace, local groups, and even Craigslist to reach more potential buyers. Once your home is live, it's time to market like a pro. Write a compelling listing description that highlights your home's best features and the lifestyle it offers. Post open houses and private showings to attract serious buyers. Yard signs and printed flyers can help spread the word locally. If you want to reach buyers who can't visit in person, consider creating a virtual tour or a video walkthrough. When offers start coming in, review each one carefully. Look at the price, financing details, and any contingencies like inspections or appraisals. The closing date is important too. If you get multiple offers, don't be afraid to negotiate for better terms or counteroffer if the first offer isn't quite right. Finally, handling the paperwork and closing the sale is the last step. Work with a real estate attorney or title company to make sure all the contracts are legal and complete. Schedule any required inspections or appraisals and work with the buyer's lender and title company to finalize everything. Once the paperwork is signed, you'll hand over the keys and celebrate your successful sale. Selling your home by owner doesn't mean you have to go it alone. With listlean.com, you can get your home on the MLS for just $95 and reach thousands of buyers while saving thousands in commission fees. Ready to start your FSBO journey? Visit listlean.com today for more information and take the first step toward selling your home on your terms.